everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing for you Oral-B's Genius 9000 electronic toothbrush. This baby is amazing. This is like a state-of-the-art toothbrush in a box. Like, it's rose gold. Basically, this also comes in black as well. So if you're not into the rose gold thing, or you might be a guy and don't want something girly, it comes in black. So if you want to make an investment in your oral health, maybe you want less dentist visits or something like that. But yeah, I mean, if you've got the budget, I would recommend investing in this because it's super fun and it's also very, very effective. It's quite detailed and a little bit confusing at the start to get your head around all the different features, but once you get going, it'll become routine for you and it really won't be that difficult. And you can sort of take and leave sort of what you want to do with it as well. So it does come with an app to guide you along and help you along as well. So if you want to download that, that's super fun as well. I don't always use the app, but it is super helpful and it does give you lots of information. It's got like a teeth whitening journey, so you can track how your teeth are getting whiter over the time that you're using it. It also sort of watches you as you brush, so it helps you guide you to the areas in your mouth that you're brushing. So if you're missing any areas, it will let you know so you can concentrate on those, and it just makes you aware of your brushing technique in general and how you can improve that. So I'll just show you inside. So basically there's this little like magnetic opening here, and it's not really in there properly because I've opened it up. Obviously I've been using it, but inside we'll have like your toothbrush here and everything like that. So I'll show you everything that comes with it. I've got some instructions here, lots of those, really handy to read. I highly recommend that. We've got a suction cap thing. Now this is handy when you're using the app. So this sucks on to your mirror in the bathroom, so you can stick your iPhone in here, and while using the app you're right there brushing your teeth and watching that guide you along. So that's really handy to have. There's also this gorgeous hard rose gold and white travel case. Now this thing is not just a pretty face. You've got chargers on the end here where you can charge your phone, and you can also charge your toothbrush. So if we open this one up, you can store your handle here in the main part there. You've got extra brush heads that you can store in there as well. And as you've got using your toothbrush and stuff, this little slot here you can actually sit your phone in. Now it's not just for iPhones. I've actually got an Android and mine fits in there just fine. You can do it lengthways or upright. Either way it will sit in there. And you can like plug your phone in and charge your phone as well. So that's really, really cool. So this is what your charger looks like. You've got this bit and then you've got this bit as well. So this actually comes apart. So you've got that bit where your toothbrush sits on, and you can plug that in the wall to charge it. You can also sit it in there if you want on your bathroom bench. So you can open that up and store your little spare brush heads in there as well. So I'll just show you. They just sit in there just like that, and then you can close the lid down and keep it all secure, dust free and clean in there. So here are the 3 different brush heads that the set comes with here, and it's recommended, they say, why the design is round is actually because your manual toothbrush is more like rectangular shaped. Round bristles actually help to clean your teeth better. Somehow the rotating round bristles just really get in there in between your teeth, the whole surface area of your tooth. It sort of gets in there like this and does a better clean rather than just a manual toothbrush going like this and trying to get everywhere, if that makes any sense. And I think it does. It makes sense to me. This first brush head here is the Oral-B cross action brush head. This one has angled bristles and lifts and powers away plaque nice and easily. So that's like my general most used brush head. This one we have is the Oral-B Floss Action. So as you can see, there's got like these little different bristles, like the 4 like yellow ones, which are more like of a rubbery like material. And these ones allow for plaque removal in sort of tough areas. And this third brush head is the white Oral-B 3D white brush head, and this helps to whiten the teeth. The way it does that is with that pink sort of circle in the middle, just works to polish your teeth as the bristles are rotating and sort of circulating around on the tooth. Once a toothbrush goes flat, it only takes about 30 minutes to charge it fully back up again, and that will last you, for regular daily brushing, it will last you 12 days. So that's pretty amazing battery power. So just to give you an idea, I'll turn this on just so you can like hear the noise and sort of see how it moves when you have it on. So this is the on button here, and if I just turn that on, it's a little bit noisy but not too bad, and you can see how much it's sort of vibrating. Like this is going to count. It's pretty good. It's got a like pressure sensor. I don't know if it'll work if I'm doing, yeah, see how that's lit up red around the ring there? That's, sorry. That red ring that was just on there, because I was pressing quite hard on my hand, if that was my tooth, that red ring is telling me, hey, you're pressing too hard, ease off a bit. So obviously red means stop. If you see that red light, if you notice that, then you know that you are brushing just a little bit too hard. It also has 12 smart ring personalized like light shades, if you will, along here. So in conjunction with using it with the app, you can pick a shade that you like to personalize your toothbrush even more, which is really, really fun and cool. So as a general rule of thumb, you're supposed to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, and not everyone always like has a timer next to them to while they're brushing their teeth. So what's really cool about this is that it actually times you for the 2 minutes that you need to brush your teeth for. So you know you're not going to go over or under that time. So you're brushing your teeth for the right recommended amount of time. Okay, that's it guys. That's my review of the Oral-B 9000 Genius electronic rose gold toothbrush. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope it was helpful for you as well. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'd appreciate that so much. And leave me a comment below letting me know how often you actually visit the dentist. Do you go the recommended like once or twice a year, or are you someone that avoids them like the plague? Anyway guys, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!